Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change or fix your search engine on your Google Chrome. For example, I will open my Google Chrome. This is a new tab. Look, I wanna search for something. It take me as you see here, my search engine it's Yahoo. I wanna fix it and change it to Google. What I have to do right now, we just come here to this three dot and click and directly go and open my settings. So it will show me this page as you see here. So this is my settings for my Chrome. What I have to do, I will go here to search engine, go to Yahoo research, click change, and from here you can change it to what you want. For example, we want Google. Click set as a default, and I will close this and I will open a new tab. Look, right now I will search for something, and right now as you see, my search engine it's Google. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful and useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next video.